Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I hope you're having a fantastic day. If you're new to the channel, my name is Parker Nierenstein. This is Vehicle Versions, and today we're gonna get the Huracan wrapped. Got the Rolls tire fixed. Figured I'd, well, actually I have no idea why I parked it in the middle of the lawn, but kind of looks dope. Good morning, Supra. All right, let's roll. So pumped that the garage is finally coming along, but today is all about the Lamborghini Huracan. I am so excited to bring some color into the life of the Huracan Evo. Go ahead, flip the switch, turn it on. For those of you who are new here, this is my 2020 Lamborghini Huracan Evo Spyder. It's tuned by VF Engineering, makes 681 horsepower, but honestly, I want to change the color up. I've never owned a black supercar, and while I think it looks classy and sleek, I need some color in my life. So the question is, given that it has a white interior, which I love so very much with all those forged carbon accents, what exterior color should I go with on the Huracan? All right, time to roll to the wrap shop. Another absolutely gorgeous day out here in sunny Southern California. Heading now to Impressive Wraps. The guys who wrapped my 600 LT in clear protection film, they did a phenomenal job, and I'm super excited to see what colors they have available to wrap this bad boy. I love this car so much, guys. Oh my God. The noises the Huracan Evo makes is absolutely ridiculous. Those pops don't get old. Well, I'm not in love with the fact that it's a soft top convertible. I think if they did a hard top, it'd look a lot better. The fact that it is a convertible makes this car so incredible. Being able to hear that naturally aspirated V10 right behind me with the top down is honestly out of this world, and especially the backfires. Listen to this. Oh my God. I'm excited, guys, to change up the color on this car. Honestly, I think I'm gonna do a poll once we get there, and you guys can choose what you think is your favorite color for the Huracan Evo. Whether that be blue or white or green, we'll figure it out. Red light means only one thing, and that is launch control. Let's hit it. Oh, this car's a riot. Here we are, pulling up to Impressive Wraps. Oh, that Supra is sick. All right, guys, before we take a look at what's outside, because there's some seriously cool cars in here, let's get to the point and check out some wraps. What's going on, dude?
What's going on?
Good to see you. We got Justin from Impressive Wraps here. What do we got going on?
We are going to be wrapping Parker's car, a very special color.
I'm freaking excited.
If you guys haven't heard of Enos Tech, it's this new wrap that's like virtually has no orange peel. This stuff is crazy. It's got a paint-like finish. If you follow us on our Instagram at Impressive Wrap, you can see we do a lot of cars in this just because the finishes on this is absolutely insane.
What I really like about Enos Tech is, one, they're like rivaling paint, which is not typical with wraps, but two, the color options they have, guys, are ridiculous. I mean, look at how unique the different colors they have are. I mean, I don't know about that one for the Huracan, but what would you do if you were me?
Ooh, if I were you.
The pressure's on.
The pressure is on. Okay, let me see. I would probably do like a midnight green.
Okay.
Or maybe like maybe the turquoise is pretty cool.
I agree. So guys, I'm gonna show you some color options, and I think you were talking about you've got a like generator over there that can show different colors. Exactly. So let's check that out, and then you guys can vote. I'm gonna have a poll on what color you think is your favorite, because I want to make this the Vehicle Versions car again. Green was epic, so I mean, obviously on the 2015 Huracan, I loved having Verde Mantis. This is a much brighter acid green. I love the blue. The turquoise blue and the Miami blue are probably in my top two. This is pretty awesome. This, what is it called? Midnight Purple?
Yeah, that's Midnight Purple.
Midnight Purple is fire. It kind of looks like the McLaren, but it's a little more understated. I don't know, let's check out this machine.
So, we've got this super cool machine here that allows us to basically choose from a wide variety of different cars. As you can see, we got a bunch of Lambos right here. Unfortunately, they don't have the Evo yet.
Yeah, they don't have the Evo. What's with that? They've got a LP610. They've got a Tron Aventador, but no Evo. All right, so we've got the we've got a Huracan. This is the what, acid green color?
Yeah.
Almost kind of Verde Mantis, Verde Scandal-esque.
So we are choosing from Enos Tech today, and I got their whole lineup right here. So we go ahead and click that.
Which one is that? That's Miami Blue.
This is the Miami Blue.
That looks pretty epic.
And then we got that turquoise dream right there.
That's nice.
Let's see what else we got.
Oh,
Mamba green.
that's pretty fire.
Army green. So
Army green's also sick. Damn. All right, so I'm thinking, man, that's pretty cool actually. Army green, then we've got acid green, and then gloss Miami blue or turquoise dream. And then we've got the metallic midnight purple. That also is absolutely insane. Oh my God, I'm at a loss. All right, guys, so seriously help me decide because I really don't know what to do. So once again, deciding between, we've got turquoise dream, Miami blue, then that midnight purple, absolutely fire, and then maybe acid green. So I'll have a poll up here, and if you don't see all the poll options, just comment in the comment section below, and I'll seriously take your opinions into consideration because I don't know what color to wrap the Huracan. Good news is, every single color is epic. All right, into the layer.
So we have a 458 in the shop right now that's getting citrus yellow. This is another Enos Tech color.
Yeah, that looks dope.
See on the other side.
Oh, wow. Yeah, that's awesome. It's
So
like
this-
fly yellow or speed yellow on a Ferrari.
Super, super bright yellow.
Super bright.
We got a 720S right here. This guy's getting clear bra.
That's epic.
Help protect that beautiful paint. Largo, this guy's also getting clear bra.
Love it.
And then this M5 has a special clear bra, so it's stealth clear bra.
Okay, so this was normally not satin blue.
Nope.
It was another type of blue, and then now it's, there you go.
So you can see, that's the original paint.
That's pretty awesome.
And then we got this thing over. This thing is absolutely freaking nuts.
Oh my God. That is epic. Vertical exhaust, massive turbo E30.
Yes.
That is freaking epic,
Full
dude.
gearbox.
Bald tire, sequential gearbox. All right, this guy's not messing around at all. The freaking cooling system back here. Look at all the braided lines. Wow.
This is actually getting another Enos Tech color.
Okay.
This is Enos Tech Army Green right here.
There we go. Army green. That's pretty awesome too. Wow, this is gonna look sick. Does this thing compete, or is it just a guy who just likes having way too much fun?
A little bit of both.
Both?
A little bit of both.
That's awesome. I'm jealous. Check this car out, guys. Brand new S-Class in Mamba green, wide-bodied. It was actually kind of hard to tell that it was an S-Class at first because I've never seen one with such a wide body kit on it. This thing looks savage. I love the wheels too. Freaking deep dish. And then over here, we got the OG Supra. Apparently making, what were you saying? Like nearly 1,000 horsepower?
Close to 1,000. 900 to the wheel.
900 wheel horsepower. I think we need to see video of this thing ripping on the channel. What do you guys think? Crazy freaking rear diffuser, massive exhaust. I love these cars. All right, so apparently we can do a video on that Supra, and I'm super stoked about it. So we've got an appointment set to wrap the car. I'm dropping this guy off, picking up his car. It's just been finished. And guys, seriously, vote what color you want to see on the Huracan. I am so pumped to see what this thing turns out like. Got Justin's FRS. I actually like these chrome pink wheels. It looks pretty cool with the white car. Always great to see the boys over at Impressive Wrap. I'm so stoked for the future of this car. Checking out the colors is getting me really, really excited. So in about 10 days from now, the appointment is scheduled for this car to go into the shop and the wrap will be underway. What color it is, honestly, I think I'm gonna leave it up to you guys. Then it looks like the day I dropped this car off, I'm gonna do a little video with that Supra. There's 900 wheel horsepower in a Supra. I gotta feel what that's like and share it with you guys. Angelus Crest Highway coming up, let's go. For those of you who are unfamiliar with what Angelus Crest Highway is, it's of course a highway located east of Los Angeles with some of the coolest scenic overlooks in the world. Now, for those of you who do know Angelus Crest, they know that, well, it has some of the best driving roads in Southern California and honestly in the United States. So I figured if I was over at Impressive Wraps, close enough to Angelus Crest, not stopping there in the Huracan Evo Spyder would be a crime against everything that I stand for car-wise. So yeah, let's take this thing out for a little rip. I'm excited. It's her first Angelus Crest experience. Well guys, there you have it. An amazing day at Angelus Crest, getting the Huracan wrapped. I'm super excited for the future of the channel. As I said in the last video, uploading more frequently 5 times a week, Monday, Wednesday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like always, please browse the channel and subscribe. I look forward to seeing you next video. Here we go.